So special thanks to this company for sending us this product to unbox for you. As you can see, washing saves an average of over 100 rolls per year. This is one of those items that you put on your toilet to clean yourself when you're done. I don't know exactly how to say it, but I can say it's wrote right here on this sticker, and especially thanks to BIGCOW who sent me this to unbox for you. So there's nothing, lower your carbon footprint, yeah, whatever. Same thing there, a fast growing trend for modern bathrooms. Huh. Create for you, clean for you. Okay, let's actually open it up. And you do get everything you need, so this is the hose and all the other components you would need to be able to wire this into your toilet's water line so that water can come through this device, of course. There is, of course, a full instruction manual telling you how to do all of this. This is the assembly instructions. And then we've got a cool little nozzly thing here. This is how it splits it off. And so this is the actual device here, and it would plug in right here, and then basically this would set on the back part of your toilet, and you would be able to turn this dial to clean yourself. Does that make sense? Hopefully I've described this in a way that gets this video approved by the Amazon approval team, and that should essentially do it for this unboxing video. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.